Hello. How was your evening today? Wonderful weather, isn't it?
Where's the map?
Ah, yes. I do not have it. However, I did give it to a guy over there. Goodbye.
Shink, shink, shink.
Swell up a bit.
Friends.
I think they are. This will be a pair. This will be a
Big fella at the forest.
pair.
They were roommates.
Damn, they're scrapping.
I'm brilliant. Sorry.
Oh,
No.
damn.
I love her. She needs to come home with me.
Oh. I like how the swan just like watching, like, look at these little idiots.
Seen what I seen it on the way back.
Uh-oh.
It was like a buzzard sparring.
Bro's gonna get at this.
Crashing car, I brake to see it, and then somebody was in. They were laughing because it was just stunning.
Uh-oh. Come on, have a scrap again. Scrap.
The thing was, it was a cool fly.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Well, that's if I kind of noticed it. I don't know. It would have been
Is she twerking?
like I could never eat every button. I love that.
Harrison, I think she's throwing it.
Tom, this is better than TV.
It did better than TV.
You say that now, but you're probably doing the same. Yeah, Angela.
I know.
Yeah, well, you wish, buddy.
Don't do much.
I saw Bigfoot.
I don't think so. Right, if you look, guys, if you look right to the top of the trees at the far side of the lake there, can you see the black birds? And
I see, is that others?
do we know what kind of birds they are?
Rose.
They're not crows.
Blackbirds.
They're rooks.
Oh, Rose. Guy!
That is so beautiful.
That's a big guy!
Oh my goodness.
I got on.
Aaron, take this. Take this.
What the? I think I'm lost.
Hi, stranger.
Here we have a wild Harrison. See, that's his threat display. Yelling homosexual slurs. Damn.
Hello, sir. Do you want a stick?
I'd like a stick. You can have mine.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
That stick has. Little did you know, that stick is cursed. Keep fishing, Grand Wizard. You'll get the ancient fish of the legend soon.